Imagine yourself floating in space. The silence is profound and the view is unlike anything you've ever seen. Stars surround you, twinkling like distant diamonds. Each one a sun, perhaps with its own planets and mysteries. You are suspended in the vastness of the cosmos. It is breathtakingly beautiful. It is awe-inspiring. The Milky Way stretches out before you, a river of stars and cosmic dust. As you gaze out into this seemingly infinite expanse, a question arises in your mind. What lies beyond the horizon of our universe? Does the universe ever end? Or is it an endless expanse, a boundless ocean of stars and galaxies that stretches on forever? Or does it stretch on forever, an endless sea of stars and galaxies? The sheer scale of it all is almost incomprehensible. This question has captivated astronomers, philosophers, and dreamers for centuries. It is a mystery that has driven humanity to explore, to seek answers in the stars. It is a question that speaks to our fundamental curiosity about the nature of existence. What is our place in this vast universe? It is a question that leads us down a path of cosmic exploration, a journey that takes us to the farthest reaches of space and time. This path explores the very fabric of reality, the intricate web of space-time that holds the universe together. We are about to embark on a journey that will challenge our understanding and expand our horizons. This journey will take us beyond the familiar three dimensions of our everyday experience, into realms that are hidden from our senses. It will lead us into the realm of hidden dimensions. Dimensions that could hold the key to understanding the true nature of the universe. These dimensions are thought to be curled up and hidden from our view, yet they may be fundamental to the structure of everything we know. We experience the world in three dimensions. Every day we navigate through a space that allows us to move in various directions. We move forward and backward, left and right, up and down. These movements define our physical reality and shape our understanding of the world around us. But what if I told you that these three dimensions might not be all there is? What if our perception is limited and there are other dimensions beyond our grasp? What if our universe is just a small part of a much grander multidimensional reality? A reality that extends far beyond the three dimensions we are familiar with. The idea of hidden dimensions is a mind-bending concept. It challenges our very understanding of existence and the nature of the universe. But it is one that has been seriously considered by physicists for decades. These scientists have dedicated their lives to exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. It arises from our attempts to understand the fundamental laws of the universe. These laws are the building blocks of everything we know. These laws govern the behavior of everything from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies. They are the threads that weave the fabric of reality. To grasp the concept of hidden dimensions, it helps to use analogies. Analogies can bridge the gap between the known and the unknown. Imagine for a moment a species of intelligent beings that live on a flat, two-dimensional surface. Their world is confined to two dimensions. These beings can only move forward and backward, left and right. Their entire existence is limited to these two directions. They are completely unaware of the dimension of height. The concept of moving up or down is beyond their comprehension. To them, their world is everything. They cannot imagine anything beyond their two-dimensional experience. They cannot even conceive of a third dimension, just as we might struggle to conceive of dimensions beyond our own. Now imagine that you, a three-dimensional being, were to interact with this two-dimensional world. Picture yourself reaching down into this flat plane, where everything exists only in length and width, but no height. You could reach down and pick up one of these beings, lifting it out of its familiar plane. To the two-dimensional being, this would be an extraordinary event, something beyond their comprehension. You could move it in a direction that they could not perceive, a direction that doesn't exist in their world. This movement would seem impossible and magical to them. To them, you would seem to have magical powers capable of performing feats that defy their understanding of reality. This is a simplified analogy, but it serves to illustrate a profound concept. It helps to illustrate how higher dimensions can exist without our knowledge, hidden from our senses and everyday experiences. Just as the two-dimensional beings in Flatland are unaware of the third dimension, we might be oblivious to additional dimensions that are curled up and hidden from our perception. These dimensions could be all around us, yet completely undetectable with our current technology. These hidden dimensions are not just a figment of science fiction. They are a serious area of study in theoretical physics, with researchers dedicating their careers to uncovering their secrets. They are a serious area of study in theoretical physics. Scientists use complex mathematical models and experiments to explore these possibilities. One of the most promising theories that suggests the existence of extra dimensions is string theory. This theory posits that the fundamental particles we observe are actually tiny vibrating strings, and these strings can only vibrate in higher dimensional spaces. String theory is a complex and fascinating area of physics. In essence, it proposes that the fundamental building blocks of the universe are not point-like particles but rather tiny vibrating strings of energy. Think of a guitar string. It can vibrate at different frequencies, producing different musical notes. Similarly, in string theory, the different vibrations of these fundamental strings give rise to all the particles and forces that we observe in the universe. Now here's where it gets really interesting. For string theory to work mathematically, it requires the existence of extra spatial dimensions. These extra dimensions are thought to be incredibly small, curled up at a scale far too tiny for us to detect directly. Section 5. A Child's Wonder. I remember when I first learned about the possibility of hidden dimensions. I was a young boy, fascinated by the mysteries of the universe. I would spend hours staring up at the stars, lost in contemplation. I remember reading about the concept of a fourth dimension in a science fiction book. At first I couldn't wrap my head around it. How could there be another dimension beyond the three that I knew? But as I read on, I began to understand. The book used the analogy of a shadow. A shadow is a two-dimensional projection of a three-dimensional object. It contains information about the object but not all of it. Section 6. The Multiverse. A Tapestry of Universes. Similarly, our three-dimensional universe could be a shadow, a projection of a higher dimensional reality. This higher dimensional reality might contain other universes, just like ours, each with its own unique set of physical laws and constants. This is the mind-blowing concept of the multiverse. Imagine an infinite tapestry of universes, all existing simultaneously, each a separate bubble in the cosmic foam. The idea of a multiverse might seem like something out of science fiction, but it is a serious possibility that is being explored by physicists today. It is a possibility that could revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Section 7. The Unseen Dimensions. The search for hidden dimensions is a search for the ultimate nature of reality. It is a search that takes us to the very edge of human knowledge. It is a search that is both exhilarating and humbling. We may never be able to directly observe these hidden dimensions, but their existence could have profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It could explain the fundamental constants of nature. It could even provide a framework for unifying all the forces of the universe into a single, elegant theory. Section 8. A Universe of Possibilities. The universe is full of mysteries. It is a place of wonder, beauty, and endless possibilities. The idea that our universe might be just one of many, connected by hidden dimensions, is a concept that stretches the limits of our imagination. But even if we never find definitive proof of hidden dimensions, the very act of searching expands our understanding of the cosmos. It reminds us that there is still so much out there that we don't know. There is still so much left to explore. Section 9. Join the exploration. The cosmos is calling. Are you ready to answer? Join us next time as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe and explore the latest discoveries that are shaping our understanding of our place in the cosmos.